Hey, so I hope everyone's staying healthy and staying inside. I just want to let you guys know that on Google Classroom, while it's awesome to be using during this time while we're all teaching from home, there is a catch that students could be using if you're assigning work on there to be academically dishonest. So if students were to go to their classwork and click on this button right here, Class Drive folder, literally gives them access to all of your assignments. So when you post these assignments and even if you assign an assignment individually to each student, like make a copy, they can click on this button and they'll be able to see everyone's work. So what you need to do is when you go to your drive, you have the Google Classroom folder that pops up. You need to click on that and then go to your class. And up in the corner, when you click on this little, or when you hover over the people, it says example class teachers. That's going to be everyone who's in the class. So if you have, that includes your students. So if you go to share settings and you hover over this one group, it turns into a little hand. When you click on that, right here it says can organize, add, and edit. So that means all your students can see everyone's work. So what you need to do is X that out, just cancel it out, and then hit save changes. And then students shouldn't be able to see other students' work. And any homework assignments, anything, classwork, anything like that. So I hope this is helpful. Share with whoever. Please help all the teachers out. I know this is a stressful time for all of us. Have a great day.